Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my 50-ounce glass jars with bamboo lids. You probably clicked on this video because you are concerned about how your pantry looks, and that's why I purchased these containers. I love an organized pantry that has a cohesive look to it. And what I love about these jars is that they are made of glass and bamboo, so I don't have to worry about the effect of plastic and what that can have on the taste of my food or the quality of my food. And I also don't have to worry about these glass containers with the color discoloration on them as plastic would have. So I purchased these containers also because I wanted something that had a very timeless look that I could keep throughout the years. And I love these containers because they come with individual spoons for each container. So I don't have to worry about cross contamination. And that's my point of view.